Hey everybody, Brian Jordan here with Martelli Enterprises, and today is all about our storage sale. Okay, so we're gonna go over a couple of these items here, so you don't wanna miss out on this storage. We all can use extra storage. Whatever room you have, storage is a must. So here's some key features that you're gonna wanna have. Snap Caddy, let's go over that first. The Snap Caddy is awesome. Look at if you have a table that wide, the Snap Caddy will work on that. Okay, that's going to give you a lot of room for any size table. Now this middle does come out and everything like that, and it attaches to the side of your table. Let's see how that is. I've got this one full right here. All you do is take your Snap Caddy and put it right there to the clamp. There's some nice rubber grips on there, so it's going to stay sturdy on there. Magnetic bowls can go on there, cups, whatever you want. Your pens, your needles, your knickknacks, all that good stuff can stay right there. The Snap Caddy is a wonderful, wonderful tool for storage. Moving on, the universal rack, one of my favorite things that we have ever come out with, okay? This universal rack right here is great for storage of your rulers, your templates and tools and such. So your fussy cut windows, all of those things that Martelli has provided for us over the years can stay right here, just like you see right here, okay? Its little brother is right here. This is a project rack, I like to call this. So if you know that you're gonna have a 2.5 and a ruler, the 4-inch ruler, and this type of fussy cut, maybe 6 to 8 different tools just for that one project, put them in this. This is a small enough reason to put right set on your table where it doesn't move. Now, none of our tools are gonna move like that because it does have our backing on it. So that is a great project rack, ruler rack. The cool thing about these racks, both of these, is that they can be mountable. What does that mean? We provide 2 holes in there, 16 inches apart for studs, and then you can mount your universal rack or your ruler rack up against the wall, creating more room for you than you have currently if you have any wall space. Great feature right there, okay? Also, we have the embroidery hoop hanger. I took this out of the bag earlier because I wanted to pull it out and show you. This thing is so cool. It's super lightweight, but it'll hold the weight that your hoops or your embroidery hoops are gonna take. So you can hang it directly on the wall wherever you want it and hang 4, 5, 6 hoops on there, no problem. And you can get a couple of these, and however many hoops you have, that's how many hangers you need, okay? Up to about 1, 2, 3, 4, I'd say about 5 you could put on there easily. And we do provide the screws for you to get it into your walls, okay? So all that's done. So the installation will be no problem for you, okay? All right, moving on to our extension racks, okay? So your table, these things have flown off the shelf, so when you have a sale on them, you want to be ready to pick one of these up. Watch this. I'm going to show you how to attach. We have the C-clamps that go on these, okay? So you see how we put them in here, right here. You've got 2 options to put this on your table with. So let's go show you. All right, so on the side here, I can put this either on top of the table. You see how it's right here? It's sitting on top. If that's your choice, that's okay. That's how you can do it, and you tighten it underneath. But if you want it more flush and underneath, you just pull the C-clamps up, and then you'll just slide it right on top like that, and then you'll tighten it up, and no big deal, no problem. We have this 14-inch ruler or extension rack right here, and then we have the big boy that is a 32-inch, and it will have its C-clamps as well. So any size table, you can have one of your extension racks with. So this is just some of the great items that we're gonna provide for you with our storage sale coming up. So be ready, be on the lookout. We love you. We hope to see you down the road, and we'll see you later.